Hello and welcome to Aviat Space, the place where aviation and aerospace are made fun. From the dawn of time, men believed that supernal objects held power over earthly existence and would gaze at night sky, either awe-inspired or in quest of answers. Here is the description and some interesting facts about our home galaxy, the Milky Way. Our dear galaxy is thought to be as old as the universe, and scientists suggest it was formed around 13.6 billion years ago. Until recently, astronomers believed the Milky Way filled the whole universe. It is only in the 1920s that astronomer Edwin Hubble, based on the brightness of stars, calculated distance between other galaxies and demonstrated the universe is millions times larger than the Milky Way. From the Earth vantage points, our galaxy resembles a band. There are many representations of the Milky Way, but none really depicts the reality. These are either other galaxies or an artist's representation. As explained by NASA, we can only take pictures of the Milky Way from inside the galaxy, which means we don't have an image of the Milky Way as a whole. Moreover, it has been discussed at length over years the number of spiral arms the Milky Way has got. At this point, the question might be, why not sending a spaceship to capture it? The reason is simple: impossible. Even if our spaceship could travel at the speed of light, which technology we don't have yet, it would take thousands of years, which is entire lives, generations, civilizations, and more. So, what do we eventually know of our galaxy? According to NASA, though we don't have any photo of the galaxy as a whole, we can still suggest it is barred in shape. The first indication for its shape is the physical evidence provided by the bright band of stars that form it. The band is visible with naked eyes and suggests our galaxy is flat. On the other hand, several telescopes have captured photos of it both on ground and in space from different directions or panoramic view. Moreover, NASA's latest data suggest our galaxy has got 4 spiral arms, as shown in the artist's illustration below.
NASA says galaxies are a large group of stars, gas and dust bound by gravity. However, it is also made up with dark matter or energy. As to the number of stars in the Milky Way, NASA suggests it is difficult to be determined from our position in the galaxy. Maggie Mazzetti, social media lead at NASA, suggests
we can make estimates, but there isn't a firm, solid, 100% answer. There are different models for estimating the number of stars in the Milky Way, and the answers they give differ depending on what is used as the average mass of a star. The most common answer seems to be that there are 100 billion stars in the Milky Way on the low end and 400 billion on the high end, but I've seen even higher numbers thrown around.
Otherwise, the European Space Agency's Gaia satellite delimited 1% of the Milky Way and estimated its number of stars to 1 billion, which makes it 100 billion for the whole galaxy.